Hi, Dr. Shaban. Let's talk about the Brazilian butt lift. The BBL has a controversial reputation online regarding safety. How does your technique at Avané eliminate the risks we hear about?
Safety really depends on patient choice and patient education. So first of all, we start there by educating the patient what to do, what not to do. Then secondly, it depends on the technique and the experience. So with that, if you take care of the technique and experience, you will make BBL a safer procedure like any other procedure.
For the hip dips, is it possible to fill those specifically without making the buttocks looking unnaturally large?
We contour the client to their specification. What do you want? How much volume do you want? We do that. So we'll give you exactly what you want. If you want a hip dip that just molds within the thigh, we can do that. Actually, this depends on what the client wants.
Many of our Somali clients want a significant result but worry about the sitting restriction. How long must they actually stay off their backside?
It is safe to say that 10 days will be the best, because when you do BBL, you're transferring fat, which needs to stay alive. So the fat has to go and stay alive wherever it goes to, and we need to keep it alive. So for 10 days, you should stay away from your backside. As I said, with any other problem, the longer you stay away, the better the results.
What happens to the transferred fat if I lose weight in the future? Does the BBL shrink?
What we transfer, we call it a graft. It's like a plant growing. It has already grown there. It will behave like part of the body. So if there's general loss of body weight, it will just behave like the rest of the body.
What is the fluffing period that everyone on TikTok talks about? And when will I see my final results?
What this refers really, because you are putting in some new fats there, some gets lost, okay? We normally say we lose up to 20% of what you put in there. So if I put on 100 mils, I may lose up to 20 mils. 80 mils will stay there. The longer you stay off your backside, the more the fat that survives. There's this magic number 6. 6 weeks is usually now when you see. We say now this fat has survived. This will be like your final results.